Hey guys, so today is my driving test theory exams. I'm going to go write my theory test. And now I'm anxious, I can't even speak. Maybe I'm anxious. My stomach is rolling. You guys wish me luck. The test is by 12 o'clock. I'm gonna be on my way. I'm already on my way. I just said I should stop to make this video. God, I'm gonna share more details later. So this is just like an intro, so definitely keep watching. I want to pass the test in my first trial. This is the first time I'm going to write the test and I believe I'm going to pass. Please wish me luck.
Turn right onto Nottingham Road, A60, then turn left on...
Hey, I wanna dance with you all night. So I arrived at the test center around 11:30 a.m. My test was for 12 p.m. So once I got in, they asked me, "Are you here for your test?" I said yes. They sought to see my provisional driver's license. I showed them. They gave me a number to sit down. So it's on a first come, first serve basis. So whenever you come in, you're asked to sit down. So I sat down and then I saw that this guy just finished writing his test. So when you're done writing, you come and you sit at the area that is marked results. These are the test rules for people who are here to take the test. Is on the seat for everybody, and it wasn't long. Within 15 minutes I was called. They captured my face and they took my signature. They gave me a key to the locker to store my items. You can't go in with anything. My phone was off. I had to show them that my phone was off, and they checked my pocket. Then they asked me to go in. When I got in, they searched me all over again and they explained how the process worked, and it was time for me to take the test. I just feel so guys, cars are just passing anyhow. Anyway, so guys, I just finished my theory driving test, and I haven't checked it yet because I wanted to capture it live. I am legit scared. In fact, should I open it? I'm so scared. I'm actually very scared. This is my license. I'm actually very scared. God. Jesus. Congratulations. You passed your theory test. He said I have on the multiple choice part, the pass mark is 43. You scored 48 out of 50. And the hazard perception part, the pass mark is 44. You scored 67 out of 75. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so they went ahead to break down. They said on the double hazard you scored 9 points. So you know double hazard is 10.
10, yeah.
So, and I thought that I missed the first double because so there was one video that I thought that was the double hazard, but I missed the first one. So that means that was not the first. That was not the double.
That was not the double.
So he said, wait, let me calm down. He said, safety and your, so there are multiple choices. They are giving you a breakdown of the ones you failed. So he said, safety and your vehicle, motorcycle, safety and your vehicle. So I got the number of questions wrong in one wrong question in safety and motorcycle, and then alertness, one wrong question. So those are the only two questions that I got wrong in the multiple choice. Then in hazard perception, they said, on the double hazard, you scored 9 points. I would have sworn that I failed the double hazard. He said, you scored 5 points on 7 clips.
Good.
You scored 4 points on 5 clips. And you scored 3 points on 1 clip. So there are 14 clips. So let me see if that adds up. So, yes. So I didn't score less than 3 points.
Yeah.
That's what it means, because it said you scored 3 points in 1 clip, you scored 4 points on 5 clips, you scored 5 points on 7 clips, and you scored 10 points. You guys congratulate me and let me know if you want to know tips that I used to practice. I'm so happy. I legit was scared though. I was scared because I saw some questions that I didn't see in my practice.
In your practice?
I was so scared. And that means I only failed 2 because I was counting, you know, I had in mind that I needed to know. I cannot fail more than 7 questions. So whenever I saw a question that I didn't know, I started counting. I was like, so I saw like 3-4 questions that I didn't know. I was like, oh my God, I'm so scared. But apparently I only failed 2. Anyways, that's it, guys. Congratulate me. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Ask your questions. Whatever questions you ask, I'm going to do another video talking about how I prepared and the things that helped me. I saw one girl, she's sitting on the stage. She said hazard perception is her problem. So I tried to give her my own tips that I use, but I don't think she was taking it. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I'll definitely do another video to respond to your questions. Make sure to follow me for more tips. Bye.